What's up, YouTube? This is my latest build. Sorry I have to bring you guys in halfway through, but this is just when I decided to start documenting this one. This is a 1982 Kawasaki ZN700. It has a tank from a Suzuki GS800 on it. Now, as you can tell, doing a complete custom build on it. And I'll start from the front at the headlight. That is a lantern from the 1900s, the oil powered lantern that I converted into a headlight. It's all copper. It opens up. Actually a little bit of storage in there. Pretty cool. You can see how I got the actual headlight mounted there. Got a dual sport type tire on the front. Looks kind of mean. That's why I went with that. I already got the exhaust wrapped, and I basically just cut that muffler. Just cut it off basically, so it's pretty much open. That's the stock gauge in there that I put in a different housing. That's 8,000 original miles on it, so low miles on this bike. Those are some clip-ons that I made from a triple tree of the Suzuki bike that I got this tank from. So I just cut handlebars and welded them on a triple tree, use it as a clamp. This tank is rusted naturally. This is how I found the tank, and I just stripped the paint off of it, and then it's been clear coated over the rust. And as you can see, I also put on the outside fuel gauge, welded those bungs in, and as the fuel sits in the tank, which is empty right now, you'll be able to see the fuel in that tube. Pretty cool feature. Also got custom air cleaner. They're copper. They were cups. And I cut them down, clamped them on as air filters for this bike. They go pretty good with the headlight and the rust, I think. Like I said, I'm about halfway through on this one. You know, there's quite a few things I need to do. I just jetted the carbs, so next step is probably put some fuel in the tank and get this thing running, see how it runs with the carbs jetted, and then I'll go from there, and then probably start working on some side covers and a seat and chop the frame. I got a new tire to put on the back, so yeah, it's gonna be a pretty cool rat bike. I'll tune you guys in for the next one. Bye.